Welcome back. As we start this no-code crash course, I want to keep things as simple as possible. That's why we'll start with the simplest way of building your app on Fuzen, which is our app builder, AI. When you sign up on Fuzen, go to the App Builder AI link. Then simply tell our AI what kind of app you want to build. It will ask you a few questions to get a clear understanding of what you're looking for, and then it starts to build your app. And you can see your app getting built. We have trained our AI to be interactive, so if it needs any information while building your app, it will ask you for it. Normally, AI will take a few minutes to build your complete app with a fully integrated back-end database. Once it's done, you can take it for a test ride. And if you need to change anything, just click on this Edit button and ask AI to make the required changes. It's that simple, but sometimes it may be easier to do certain changes by yourself instead of asking AI. For example, when you click the Build with No Code button, you will see all the no-code blocks used for building this page. And if you want to change the layout of these blocks, it's easier for you to just drag them around to restructure the page. This is how Fuzen combines AI and no-code tools to make app development completely effortless. And while you build your app, you can also track how many tokens you have consumed on this app and how many tokens are remaining in your account so far by going to the billing section. So what do you think? Would you prefer to use AI to build your app? Or do you prefer to have more control over the no-code tools? If you do, that's what we are going to explore in our upcoming videos. So continue watching, and I'll see you in the next one.